Hello everyone, it's another brand new video, and today I'm taking you through a tour of our 3-bedroom terrace duplex that is well furnished, and we are taking it on a shortlet for your comfort and for your usage. So come along, let me show you a brief environment of this property before I take you inside. You can see we boast of a wonderful ample parking space. So when you come around to our shortlet apartment, you have a wonderful parking space. This is spacious enough to take 2 cars conveniently for you. And you can see the way we have the edifice of the environment. You can see it's a beautiful carpet grass, and you can see the beautification of the environment. You can see it is a well fitted and well beautifully well done environment for you. And let me show you the 360 of the environment that you are coming in. So you can see this is a peaceful environment. You can see it's a very simple and a well fitted environment. So let me take you inside, and I will take you through a tour of this 3-bedroom terrace duplex that is going on a shortlet for you. So come along, let's go inside. So number one, we have a security door lock for you. So this is part of the security measures that we are giving you in this wonderful apartment. So take a look, take a tour around. You can see the environment of this 3-bedroom terrace duplex that we are having for you. So look at the living room. You can see it's a spacious one. Here we have a two-seater chairs here. You can see. So this is beautiful, and it is very comfortable for your need. Here is the 3-seater. So this is a 3-seater chair. So, and you can see it's also a very beautiful one. Here we have a mini dining for you. So this 4-seater dining, so you can use it for dining purpose as well. And also there's a meeting point for you. Maybe you come around and you want to have a meeting with your friends or your colleagues that you are here with. So you can see we have a very, you can see this 55 inches flat screen TV that we have for you. And you can see this soundbar. This comes with offers that we are giving you here include, we are giving you DSTV view, Netflix, and others like that. So you can see that for your comfort and for your relaxation, this is a home away from home. You can see we are giving you AC in the sitting room, 2 horsepower AC. You can see the fan as well too. So look at the beautification that we are giving you. Look at this beautiful chandelier. Look at this artwork. So if you're a lover of artwork, this is a very good one. Come closer. Let us see it closer. You can see. So look at this beautiful artwork that we are giving you. So if you are thinking of living an home away from home, so this is a very lovely one for you. So this is a 3-bedroom terrace duplex, and look at this wonderful cladding. You can see the beautiful mirror cladding that we have for you over here. So when you come around, you want to look at yourself before you come inside or before you go out for the work of the day, then you can easily check yourself out here. So you can see the way I'm showing you this environment. You can see that I know that as you are watching it, you're also falling in love with this beautiful apartment that you are seeing. So this is a newly done job for the 3-bedroom terrace apartment. So if you want to start booking it, so start hitting me up in the comment section, and also calling the number on the screen. So let me take you to the kitchen. Let me show you what we have in the kitchen before we start checking the rooms. So, and as well, look at this design look at this shelf design. So this is a beautification, just to beautify this wonderful place for you. So come around, let me show you the kitchen. This is a fitted kitchen. We have it a fitted one. We have done it. It's fitted. Comes with the microwave, with the oven. So, and you can see so we have this electric kettle. You can see the blender, 3-phase burner. You can see the heat extractor, You can see these are washing machine here. So you want to do laundry, so it's easy for you to come inside. Come closer. Let me show you. Let me show the. You can see this is the washing machine over here, and you can see all the things that you might need for your comfort, making you to feel home away from home. It's readily here, and you can see this is where we have the fridge and the freezer here. So if you want to chill some things around when you are in here. So this is everything you are seeing here is newly done, newly installed. So this is a new 3-bedroom apartment here in the axis of Lekki, Lagos. So come around. Let me show you more of the things that we have for you. So let's take a look at one of the rooms down. You have a room downstairs and we have 2-bedroom upstairs. So this is the room downstairs. So you can see, so each room comes in suite. So look at, so each room comes in suite with each room comes in suite with the DSTV, and you can see this is a comfortable bed for you. So these are orthopedic beds, and it gives you relaxation and comfort. Look at this beautiful art design. So if you're a lover of art design, you can see what we have put in here for you. So this is very comfortable for you. So you can see that what we are giving you in this apartment is what we call home away from home, luxurious home away from home treatment. So comfortability, everything is in here for you. And also, let me show you the toilet and the bedroom. So you can see, just show the toilet and the bedroom. So that's the toilet and the bedroom over here. So let's continue our journey on inspection. Okay, so you can see that so far so good. This is a beautiful place that you definitely want to book and have your stay when you come around Lekki, Access, Lagos. So if you're coming for maybe business purpose, you are coming around for family visits, you are coming around for for any reason that you might be coming around, so this is a very good place for you to take a look at. So, and you can see the beautification that we have for you on these stairs. So this is definition of luxury. I have to tell you again as well that we provide for you 24 hours electricity here. So welcome to the upper floor of this apartment, and I have to show you a lot of things here. So number one, look at this, another beautiful mirror cladding that we have over here. This also beautifies you, this, when you come around, just this gives you another opportunity to look at yourself before you. We want you to always have the comfortability of being in your home. So that's what we are giving you here. And in this apartment, we promise you 24 hours electricity, 24 hours power supply. We have the power supply through the PHCN, and as well, this is a solar, this is our inverter system that we have put in place. So one light goes off, so don't worry, you are having your power supply for you. So come around, let me show you our game center. We have our mini game room here, and this is where we have it. So you can see even from the artwork we have over here. Come around, let me show it. You can see from this artwork what we have over here is a game console artwork, and here we have 2 games over here. This is number 1. So this is Snookers. So if you love playing Snookers, you are having it right here in this apartment. And as well, if you love table tennis, so this is table tennis. So this is a table tennis board here. So you can just put this table tennis board on this and you do your table tennis. So you can see, so these are These are the eggs for you to play the table tennis. So you can see that we have a lot to offer you in here. So these are your seats, maybe, and these are shelf for wine, So you can sit down and as you're playing your snookers, you can just be chilling around and be watching your surf. So these are some of the few things that you are enjoying in this apartment. Look at this beautiful artwork over here. Look at it. So if you're a lover of artwork, if you're a lover of artwork, you can see that this is a beautiful artwork that is that beautifies everything that you see. So look at the beautiful artwork over here, and we also have another thing that we are offering you is also we are giving you internet supply. So all these are in here that you're going to enjoy, and you can see even as you are playing your snookers, you are enjoying a very cool AC in this apartment building. So if you are talking of comfortability and luxury, you are enjoying it in this apartment. So let me take you to the second room. So each room comes en suite, as I always say, So you can see that this is also a wonderful. You can see this beautiful bed. All the beds are orthopedic beds, and so they give you the comfortability that you need. So each room, look at this is also the TV. Each room comes with a TV and the DSTV, or that you're enjoying. So so this is the second room. And look at over here, look at this beautiful artwork over here. So you can see the blend of the color of the artwork, of the bed, of the sheet. We made this place for, everything in this apartment is definitely put into details, just to make sure that you enjoy your stay in this lovely apartment. So let me show you, this is the wardrobe. So when you come around with your luggages, so this is where you put it. So we want you to feel home away from home. So let me show you the toilets and the bedroom. So look at the toilet and the bedroom. So you can see everything you need is in there. So your toiletries, your water heater, everything is in here. So all you just need to do is come around, We have made everything comfortable for you. So let me show you the third one, which is the master suite. Let me take you to the master's bedroom, the owner's suite. So coming to the world of comfortability and the world of convenience. You can see this is a very spacious owner's suite. So if you're a lover of space, when you come around, massive space. So this is what we offer you here. You can see how spacious it is, and you can see the bed. You can see very lovely wall, orthopedic bed that gives you the comfortability and the relaxation you need. So we put everything into consideration over here for you. Look at this is also the toilet. This is the TV and the DSTV. Let me show you. You can see. So you can see we have we made sure that everything you need is in there for you. Look at also you can see over here there's a space. This is a two-seater space. Maybe you coming around and you're having a personal discussion, so you want to have a little wine or something. There's a table for you. So we have made this place very comfortable. Over here you can see this is where Madam did the makeup and everything. So these are makeup seats, and over here is the wardrobe. So we have this is a very comfortable and a very spacious environment for you. Let me show you the toilet and the bedroom. So you can see so this is the toilet and the bedroom. You can see the jacuzzi here. So there's the jacuzzi. We have the jacuzzi for you. So the washing basin, the shower cubicle, the WC. So all is in here for you. So when you come around and you need a jacuzzi treatment, it's in here. So make sure you can see that we're giving you a massive luxury in here. So let me take you outside and show you the balcony. So coming to the balcony, yeah. So after the day and you want to have a fresh air, maybe you don't want to take the AC anymore, you just want to see the environment. So this is a place where you can sit down and and relax for yourself. Um, you want to play some games, maybe you want to play chess, you want to play Ludo, all the games, it's easy for you to sit down with your partner here and have the kind of game environment that you want. So we've made it a consideration and we have delivered it very well in such a way that the comfortability, everything you need to feel home away from home is in here for you in this apartment. So look at the environment of this apartment. You can see this is a very secured environment. It is an estate inside an estate, and as well, you have a lot of security check before you you have a lot of security check before you can gain access into this environment. So if you're thinking of taking a 3-bedroom apartment, terrace apartment, that you have a comfortability, the luxury, and the security, everything is in here for you. So this is a big deal for you. So for more information of how you can book this apartment for yourself for 1 month, 2 months, you want to book it for any time you want to book it for, do well to call the number below, book your inspection. Do well to call the number below, then place a booking, then we can deal on it for now. So my name is Fọlọ́runṣọ́ Ahmed Lawal, the lead consultant for Property Lab Nigeria. And job is to ensure we get you the best real estate deals that give you the return on investment. So thanks for watching. Contact me in the comment section in order for you to book this apartment. Thanks. Bye.